Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Spiritual Enlightening. This is a timeless general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of July. It may or may not be resonate to every one of you. If it resonates, please hit the subscription button down below. So Cancer, let's start. What's in the past? You have Eight of Swords. What's in the present? You have King of Pentacles. What's in the future? You have Page of Cups. What are the challenges? Nine of Cups. I will clarify all of them. Give me three cards, okay. Devil, Three of Swords, bottom of the deck, Six of Pentacles, present, okay, present, Knight of Cups, World, bottom of the deck is Hierophant, the future, bottom of the deck is Four of Swords, challenges. So Cancer, I see. So Cancer, you have challenge is Nine of Cups, and it clarify with Queen of Cups and Ten of Wands. What I say that an agreements you made in the past have become a great burden on your shoulder. Right now, you are feeling overwhelmed. It's time for nurturing yourself and others. You may be in touch with your intuition just more than that. So take note of your dreams because they bring messages about your heart's desires. Nine of Cups is represent wish fulfillment. Friendship become love or other wishes are granted as you begin to live the life you dreamed about in the terms of both financially and emotionally. Right? Nurture yourself, your wish fulfillment towards the let go of the burden. Ten of Wands. Okay. So in a past, you have Eight of Swords. It might had a painful situation which was unavoidable was happened to you in a past. A relationship or a project was falling apart from you. Breakup, separation, sorrow, and deep disappointed due to the loss of relationship, other commitments. You were in denial, and can't yet work out how to go forward or face up. There may be obsession, lust, addiction in your past regarding in your relationship or career fronts. Also, a gift or a surprise opportunity was taking place as a financial investment in your business from a mentor or a small legacy from a relative or a bonus. You may have inspired by generosity to give to others without expecting anything in return. It can also be just simply mean a pursuit for all the life's earthly pleasures. In a present position, you have King of Pentacles and it clarified with Knight of Cups, Hierophant, World, and Hierophant. There is the progress, security. There is a progress. Security is coming in your way right now. It brings sheer purpose to bills, business affairs, ongoing projects, and personal money matter. It also in the love front and the personal money matters. It also in the love front. There may be a new relationship or friend. It brings that holding feelings, a time on the infinite possibility of life in a sunshine glow. An offer coming in your way in the terms of long-term partnership, in the terms of a relationship, gives you a sense of deep fulfillment and gratitude right now. A feeling of completion, happiness, moving to the next step of the relationship is coming towards you. Marriage or celebration are taking place in the present moment. As you complete one cycle in your life, you are looking towards the future in the next steps, perhaps making plans for big decisions. Even if you are a single, a sense of fulfillment and happiness before getting into a relationship. Your next relationship is a traditional one, means wedding, marriage, commitment. Commitment is indicate when you allow into your life. So it's coming, it's already, it's already here, but you have to see this. In your future, you have page of cups clarified with 10 of pentacles, knight of pentacles, and 4 of swords. It looks like there will be choices that you have to make in your future. A need for practicality in your romance or other circumstances in your life. It reveals that there will be an auspicious time will coming to your near future for all types of relationship you have, such as with your friends, family, and romantic partners also. It reveals stability and enjoyment and a time for complementation, such as the family reunion also. You will enjoy peace and harmony in all your relationship in groups activities, bonding and happy togetherness. But you have to let go the reassurances that you will look forward to recovery time after a severe heartbreak, pain, sorrow which was done in your past. You don't have to carry in your future because good things are coming in your way. Your challenge is to let go of the burden, 10 of Wands, and move towards the success you want. The World and Hierophant is in a present moment. Look. So that's all for today, Cancer. If you like this, I hope it resonates to you very well. Please subscribe this channel right down below. Thank you. Bye.